Hi, Beth Standlee here with Entertainment, and I am really excited about the upcoming Amusement Expo show in March. You know what? All our friends are going to get together in Las Vegas, and we're going to be sharing best ideas, great practices, ways to make all of our businesses better. I'm excited to share with you that I'm working on a session about FECs and marketing, what we're doing today. Todd Maunsell from Cinergy Entertainment is going to be with me on that panel. Chris Roskoz from What to Post Now. Everybody from the digital space is going to be so excited to hear what Chris has got to say. And then there's you. Those of you that are attending this session, bring your best ideas. Come ready to share promotions that have worked for you in your center. Here's my promise. You come to this session, you're going to be able to go away with some promotional concepts that you can implement in your business the very next week. I look forward to seeing you. March will be here before we know it. If you haven't signed up for Amusement Expo, now's the time. See you soon.